Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time it's another accessory video. A lot of people have been asking me about this ring that I use. I use a Merlin ring which is for 350 rupees on discount. It's even more expensive, but that's too much for an accessory, for a small accessory. Just that the quality is good, and with this you get a different attachment to use it as a car stand also, so it can be put on it can be plugged into that, so that you do not get with the regular ones. So this is the regular one that I got from the China market. You get cheaper quality also, which I've seen, which is I mean, if you bargain and stuff, you can get it for around 20 rupees. So it's that cheap. Now this is for 40 rupees, but the quality is different. Now let me see what all does it say. Comfortable, safe, secure grip, horizontal, vertical kickstand. Okay, reusable. So you can actually remove it, wash it, put it back on a different device. Rotate 360, blah, blah, blah. Compact and slim design. Okay, so let's open it up. So this is what it's normally used for. It can be used as a stand. It can be used as a holder, so you can just hold it like this. You can use it that way. So let's see how is it going to be. Let's open one of them. Now all this is from the China market. I've been exploring the China market a lot nowadays, so that's where I got this from. Now yes, this is metal. By the feel itself you know that this is metal. Okay, so it feels pretty sturdy. Even the gum part is good. Now the cheaper versions, I'm warning you now itself, the cheaper versions, this finishing is not good. So I've seen a lot of people destroying their phones back because this finishing is not good. And when you stick it at the back of your phone, now this is a cover. Without a cover also a lot of people stick them. Now when you stick it at the back of the phone, this itself will make marks on your phone. So that's a big problem. So be careful. Don't use the cheaper one. When you're going to buy it, take them out, check the sides like this with your finger and see if it is smooth or not. So that's why I bought this. Okay, so how to fit the O-ring or the ring stand on the phone. Now I generally use it on the cover. So I use a cover which will allow O-ring to be put on it. If you have a colored version, for example, the ones which are rubberized at the on the outside, when you put them, the rubberized material comes off, the color comes off. So this, nothing will happen. So I'll use this on the Samsung S7. I've got a similar color, gold. So first of all, you'll have to remove this plastic covering, plastic tape that it has. Now, okay, that's removed. Now put it exactly where you want. Now make sure the surface is clean and then just place it on that. Let me make sure it's centered. Okay, and done. So that's it, and then just press it from all the sides. Now it will shake a little bit because the double-sided sticker that this has does allow it to shake a little bit. It is reusable. You can wash it and use it again. So that's how you fit the stand, the O-ring. Now that's how it will stay. You can use your phone like this now. You can do whatever, it will not fall. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.